king once offered a simple barber a chance to become his minister. But what happens next? Long ago, in a prosperous kingdom, there lived a king and his most trusted minister, a man known for his unmatched intelligence. But there was also someone else, someone very close to the king, a humble barber. Every morning before sunrise, he would shave the king with precision. One day, something unusual happened. The king didn't wake up at dawn, but the barber still arrived, and without waking the king, he shaved him perfectly and quietly left. The king was very impressed. Incredible! I didn't even wake up. Your skill is extraordinary. Pleased with the barber, the king said, "Ask me anything. I will grant it." The barber looked at the king and went, "Maharaja, I want to become a minister." The king took a pause. "A minister? That position requires intelligence." The barber said, "Do I not have intelligence?" The king smiled. He had a test in mind. So he told the barber, "Come to the court tomorrow at 10 a.m. sharp." The next morning the barber arrived. Unbeknownst to him, the real minister was hidden behind a curtain. The king said to the barber, "Someone is approaching our city. Go find out who they are." The barber ran 2 kilometers to the edge of the city to the gate and rushed back breathlessly. And he said to the king, "Maharaja, they are merchants." Then the king asked, "From where?" The barber went, "I didn't ask." So he ran back and came back exhausted. "They are from Parshika." The king went, "What business do they do?" The barber replied, "I didn't ask." Again he ran. Again he returned. The barber replied, "They trade in gems." The king asked, "What kind of gems?" The barber replied, "I didn't ask." Again he ran. Again he came back, barely standing. The barber replied, "The Navaratnas, 9 precious gems." The king asked, "What is their price?" The barber collapsed. "Maharaja, I cannot run any more. My body has given up." The king nodded and called the minister. He asked the minister, "Find out about those visitors." The minister left. No running, no panic, just calm intelligence. Within 15 minutes, he returned. "Maharaja, 9 merchants have arrived from Parshika. They trade in Navaratnas, primarily diamonds. They await permission at the city gates. They will stay for 9 days, and if allowed to trade, they will give diamonds worth 1 crore varahas to the kingdom." The king replied to the barber, "Do you see the difference? One task, but complete understanding. You ran many times, but you never thought. Intelligence is not effort alone. It is awareness. When you learn to think like this, you will become a minister. So tell me, are you working hard or are you thinking smart?"